Here's a few pieces of Boulder Opal from central Queensland, rules and millimetres, and the material's been wetted, and the white you can see it's a light reflecting. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer, so give a better look at each stone. Some of these pieces you need a Dremel or flexible shaft hand piece to finish them off. It's a double-sided piece. It's thick enough that you could cut that into two, I think, especially since over here there's no colour. So cut it like that. Sorry, cut it like that. So use the brown on this side as the backing for this piece. Rest in peace. Little nut inside the sandstone. This outside material is quite soft, to the point where you might want to back this up with something, make it a doublet. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking at those. Cheers.